Regresamos para practicar la O. So we're back practicing our O's now. Remember that our O's are actually, even though it's the same sound, it's still O in Spanish the same way as it is in English. But remember that they're short and they're crisp. So a difference between our O sounds is in English we say the letter O. In Spanish, O. O. Like no, our no's in Spanish are different than our no's in English. In English, our no is no. In Spanish, our no is no. Put that accent on there. Put that accent. It's got to be short and crisp. So, commonly mispronounced word for our letter O. Remember the same rule as always, that when the word is similar in Spanish as it is in English, we've got to remember to change those vowel sounds. Be faithful to our vowel sounds in Spanish because they don't change. They always sound the same. So in English, this word operation, operation. What happens a lot is people end up saying operación. But what is our Spanish O? It sounds like O. Never does our Spanish O ever change. So we can't pronounce it like operación because that would be the Spanish A. That would be a Spanish A. Remember to be faithful to our sounds, so change our vowel sounds. This word is properly pronounced as operación. Operación. So now, let's go over some drills. Con. Solo. Solo. Otro. Cosa. Fondo. Por. Color. Pelo. Notice we're not saying pelo. Remember our E's, how they're supposed to be pronounced? It's pelo. Loco. Not loco. Loco. Remember those short and crisp sounds? We got to put that accent on. Piso. Ojo. Tono. Como. And last but not least, another commonly mispronounced word. What do people say when they see this word? Oh, I want that done pronto. What's wrong with that pronunciation? Pronto. These are O's, right? Our Spanish O's do not change. They always sound like O. So how should this word be sounding? Pronto. The real pronunciation to this word is, I want that done pronto. Okay, so now we finished our letter O. We're going to move on to our last vowel sound in our next lesson, which will be the U. Talk to you soon. Bye.